Are you looking for the best instant pot to save time in the kitchen and make cooking easier than ever? In today's video, we're reviewing some of the top instant pots available right now, perfect for everything from quick weeknight dinners to meal prep and family-sized meals. Check out the product links in the description for full features, customer reviews, and the latest prices. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great product recommendations. Product 5, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 6-Cute Electric Multi-Cooker. Dinner's late and your kitchen still feels like a chore? One pot, too many steps, and not enough time. That's why the Instant Pot Duo just makes sense. It pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, and more. Rice, yogurt, warm meals, 7 functions in one appliance. With 13 smart programs, dinner becomes one-touch simple. Soups, beans, cakes, and meals start cooking faster, up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking. The 6-quart size feeds families without constant refilling. Perfect for meal prep, batch cooking, and busy weeknights. Stainless steel pot heats evenly and sears like a pro. Cleanup stays easy with dishwasher-safe parts. The easy-release steam switch keeps pressure release safe. Over 10 safety features give extra peace of mind. Click the product link in the description to explore features, reviews, and today's latest price. Product 4, Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Expert advice: crispy food doesn't have to mean deep frying. I'm a kitchen product specialist, and the issue is simple. Most home cooking loses crunch because oil and heat aren't balanced. Instant Pot Vortex Plus fixes that with Even Crisp technology. It delivers golden texture using up to 95% less oil. The 6-in-1 system handles air fry, bake, roast, broil. It also dehydrates and reheats with minimal preheating time. That means one appliance covers dinners, snacks, and meal prep. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families of up to 6. Chicken wings, fries, and vegetables cook evenly and quickly. A one-touch touchscreen makes every step simple and clear. Adjust temperatures from 95 to 400 degrees for precise results. The stainless steel finish looks premium on any countertop. Cleanup stays easy with the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. Want to learn more? Check the product link below for full specs, customer feedback, and current pricing. Product 3, Instant Pot Pro 8QT 10-in-1 multi-pressure cooker. Ever feel dinner planning takes longer than cooking? Between work, kids, and chores, meals get stressful fast. That's where the Instant Pot Pro really changes things. This 8-quart multi-cooker handles nearly every meal in one pot. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more. It even makes yogurt, rice, sous vide, and bakes. With 28 smart programs, cooking feels almost automatic, and it preheats 20% faster for quicker starts. Meals can finish up to 70% faster than slow cooking. That means less waiting, more time to actually relax. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for family dinners. Great for meal prep, batch cooking, and leftovers too. The steam release is gentle, quiet, and easy to control. Cleanup stays simple with dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. If you want faster, easier, better home cooking, try it. Find all the details you need in the description, including features, ratings, and the latest deal. Product 2, Instant Pot Duo Plus 8QT 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Ever wish dinner could make itself quietly? Mine used to mean noise, mess, and too many pots. Then I found the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart. It cooks pressure, slow, rice, steam, sauté, and more. That means one appliance handles almost every meal. The guided display walks me through every step. Presets make soups, yogurt, cake, and rice super easy. And the whisper quiet steam release keeps things calm. No loud bursts, no kitchen panic, just safer cooking. With 8 quarts, it feeds my whole family. Meal prep and batch cooking suddenly feel effortless. It even cooks up to 70% faster than slow methods. Cleanup is simple too, with dishwasher-safe parts. Don't miss out. Visit the product link in the description for complete information and updated pricing.
Product 1. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 1-in-1 air fryer combo. Dinner was collapsing, and my family was already starving. The kitchen looked like a battlefield of pans and panic. I needed fast food, crispy food, and zero chaos. Then I found one machine hiding two powerful lids. At first, I thought it was just another cooker. Wrong. It air fries, pressure cooks, bakes, roasts, and more. 11 functions, 15 smart programs, one outrageous countertop hero. Meals finished up to 70% faster than slow cooking. And somehow, the crunch came with 95% less oil. That even crisp finish made everything taste dangerously irresistible. The 6-quart size fed the whole family without stress. Cleanup? The dishwasher safe pot ended the dish drama instantly. With over 10 safety features, I cooked with total confidence. Now weeknight chaos feels conquered, controlled, and delicious. If you want faster, crispier, easier meals, get Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Check the link in the description to see customer reviews, key features, and the newest price available. Enjoyed this video? Like, comment, and subscribe for more.